Hello friends, how to solve two unknown equations part 1 brought to you. So here I will talking about how to solve the equations with two unknown quantities. So suppose two given simultaneously equations are I have two equations which is I consider ax, what is ax plus by is equal to c. This is my first equation, and dx plus ey is equal to f. This is my second equation. So if I know these are my constant values, or this is my constant values and this is my variables, so how can I solve these variables? I have no to solve these equations by the algebraically. So but here I will discuss a new technique which is determinant method. I solve these variables by the using of determinant method. So how can we solve these types of equations by the use of determinants, these variables by the use of determinants? So here is the steps. Write these two equations in the matrix form. How can we write that? I have here is a which is constant. I write this b, d and e in the matrix form, and then I have two variables which is x and y. So I write this here, and another which is equal to these values which is my constant, also terms constant common determinants as. So this is c and f. So this is my equation of matrix form. So second step is what? The common determinant is given as. How can we find the common determinants? So we can find that these are my equations a, b, d and e. So how can we solve that this matrix? We multiply this a into e minus b into d. So this is my delta. This is my delta. If I, for finding the determinants of x, replace the coefficient of x in the original matrix by the constant, so we get the determinant delta 1. How can we do that? Just follow my instruction. I want to give the name delta 1. How can you solve that? This is the c and f, this and this c and f. I already says that for finding the determinants of for x, replace the coefficient of x in the original matrix by the constant, so that we get determinant delta 1. So if I solve these, so how can we change these determinant? I have this c and f. We place that on the place of a and d to solve these equations, and this b and e are on the same position. So how can we find that? This is ce. I already talked that ce and bf. This is my delta 1. If I finding the determinant for y, replace the constant and replace the constant of y by the constant of, so that we get delta 2 is equal to, this is my equation becomes if I a and b d is same as c and f. So I replace in this equation b and e. So my equation would be a f minus c d. Okay, so I have find that delta 1, delta 2. How can we solve that? This variable x, to find the x variable, just put it x is equal to, which is delta 1 by delta. This is the formula for finding the x variable. So how can we do that? What is my delta 1 and what is my delta? Delta, when we already find that CE minus B and F. Okay, and what is my delta? What is this is AE minus BD. Okay, this is my delta. So for finding the x variable, to solve this x variable, just put it delta 1 by delta. We already find that delta and delta 1. For finding the y, just same as delta 2 upon delta. Okay, you understand? So what is the value of delta 2? Which is AF minus CD upon, what is my delta? We already find that delta, which is AE minus BD. This is my, to finding the y variable in this equation, with two unknown quantities. I have, in this equation I have two unknown quantities. I have already teach you how to solve these equations by the using determinant method. I have for finding the x, we have delta 1 upon delta. So and for y, delta 2 and upon delta. So delta 2 is equal to AF minus CD upon AE minus BD. These are my equations about how to solve equation with unknown quantities by considering an example. So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe on my channel. Please comment on the comment box. Thanks.